So hi guys, if you have a green screen, a bad green screen, and if you want to make it clear, so today I will guide you how you can do it using Premiere Pro. This Premiere Pro method is make you pro master of green screen video editing. Also, I will guide you how you can remove shadows and different colors in green screen. So please hit the like button and watch complete video. First thing we have to do is simply we can add our video in a timeline. Now we have to go to Windows and we have to click Lemmetric colors. As we click to Lemmetric color, we have to select this tool. Okay, make sure you have to click right here. Okay, as you click on key, so you will see this tool. Now you have to select color dropper, click here, and here you have to select green screen. Okay, now you can see right here color gray. Okay, simply click this. As you click right here, you will go to channel option like this. Now you can simply pick the color dropper and do this again and again. You can see this is very good. If you click any wrong way, you can press Ctrl Z, so it will automatically remove. Okay, also you can play your video to watch more. Okay, so you can see the right here we have some, you have to finish them. Okay, like this. Now we have to click right here and go down. As we go down, we have to select the green. As we select the green, here you can see the three dots and all those three paths you have to choose green. Okay, so you can see this is your the final result. Although this is not an final result, but yes, it's pretty much better. Okay, okay, now go down and here you can see the green. So color saturation, you can add any type of green. So you can see this is our video. So now if you want to remove, you can remove by adding ultra key.